Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy earrings with old denim jeans. So let's get started. To make these easy earrings, I'm going to cut the double seam. Like that. Cut 2 equal lengths. Like that. I put links below where you can learn how to make your own ear wires and your own jump rings. Poke a hole at the top and the bottom and add jump rings. Cut 2 pieces of wire approximately 1.5 inches long. Form a loop. Place some beads on. Like that. Form a loop at the other end. Like that. Attach it to one end. Like that. And attach an ear wire on the other end. Like that. Cut a strip of denim. Doesn't matter what size you cut. Straighten out your line. And then decide how long you would like your earrings to be. And this is going to be my 2 earrings. I have 2 lengths of wire. They need to be longer than the length that you've cut for your earrings. Form a loop on the bottom of each one. Place a bead on the wire. Position your wire on your piece of denim so that the bead is at the bottom. Add some hot glue. And then start winding it into a roll. Roll it tightly. Add some hot glue. Like that. Form a loop at the top. Like that. I have some glitzy ribbon. And I'm going to glue that on in a spiral like this. Like that, and attach an ear wire. And there you have some easy denim earrings. To make these next earrings, I'm going to fold some denim in half and cut out the shape of a feather, like that, and cut 2. And then I'm going to pull the threads out on each side. On both sides. Like that. And I cut another piece of ribbon and I'm going to glue it down the center. Punch a hole. Like that. And attach an ear wire. And I'm going to glue a small bead right there. Like that. And there you'll have some easy denim feather earrings that you can make. And there you have 3 very easy earrings that you can make with denim jeans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.